Yeah, just last couple of days, all this Jamaica news has just been making my stomach sick.
Not tell you.
You just have to go and bear it still.
Yeah.
2 more months of it.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Things move over and get things on the right track.
Definitely. It's gonna be a lot of work though.
Mm-hmm. There, eat one frozen mango and freeze up my brain.
Mm.
Put mango in the freezer and freeze it and cut it up.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ice
It,
night, you know.
yeah, so it make your body cool and the morning hot already.
Mm-hmm. Man.
How's everyone doing?
Well, I'm doing fine. Keep
Good
on
so far.
trying.
Yeah,
Keep
man,
trying.
just get off of work. So
Yeah. No work today. A free day, you know.
yeah.
Mm.
Free
They
day.
reach you already?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh.
No, you drive and sleep.
No, 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 no. No, sir, that can't catch me. I like driving too much.
Yeah.
Mm.
Like, everybody like the liberation we're driving there.
No, I like long driving. I like taking long drives. Like I'll drive 12, 13, 14 hours straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
So I go like trailer driving, man.
I'm too short for that. I'm too short for that.
How tall are you?
Well, my driver's license says 5'1".
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah, that's that.
That's what the driver's license says. But other people say less, but I'm going with what my driver's license say.
Yeah, almost a midget.
You're not too
I'm just
Come on,
closer to the
car time.
ground, that's all.
You barely pass.
Not true.
Mm-hmm.
sure. A good look at height that still.
Hmm?
Good height, not too short.
Five
5 feet?
one.
5'1". I'm at 5'7".
5'1" is short.
Yeah.
I get it from my mom. She was short too. And my dad was tall.
5'1", almost a midget.
No man, no, so don't make it sound so bad.
You can't reach your top counter. You can't reach your kitchen counter, you know.
5.
Yes, you can.
Serious.
Hmm?
My kitchen cold that catch me on my waist.
Yeah?
My kitchen cold that catch me on my waist.
Yeah, now I'm saying certain kitchen, because fair kitchen counter have to make special.
Oh.
I, I going to fair kitchen counter now. You have to kneel down to use the counter.
Yeah. See? Oh my.
No, not that bad.
It's not that bad.
No.
Mm.
You know, I used to talk when I was younger, I used to talk to a girl. She was 5 feet, you know. And you mention like you love embarrass people, you know. Like we be walking. I know she's beside me. I'm gonna just try hug her up over her head, and then turn her like, "Where are you? Wait, oh, there you are."
That's not nice.
Mm.
Every time she look for her, like, you're stupid.
You know, teaser. Star sharpness.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Yeah.
It's not so bad being short.
Mm,
Yeah, man. When you fall, you not fall too far.
exactly. I,
Yeah.
I, I wish Pastor hold me in a row and I were in bed in the day, the night,
Yeah.
I told her in bed and I look in her face, she looking at her, she say, sister, I no matter no more.
I think that I laugh. I laugh just
I was like, yo, you broke my voice. I was like, you really, so she was like, yeah. She was like, we're on the same height now.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Oh goodness.
Right is yeah, take you two and touch my toe.
Mm?
Right is take you two and touch my toe. I never do it.
You just feel just like you're torn the face to face now.
Yeah.
Nobody have to look up.
Everybody
No.
have to look at all the face now. That I foot is no Ghana how measurement now.
Mm-hmm. So all the height we did have no, it no matter no more.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Mm. Yo, time fly. It's 9 o'clock already?
Nine, what 20 past 9.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Past 10 here.
Oh,
Past
you're in the US.
Yeah, in Florida.
Oh, you're still at Jamaica, man.
Yeah,
You're
definitely.
overseas Jamaica.
Yeah, I agree.
Mm. I
Sarah,
live overseas.
Shadow, pretty.
Hmm?
Okay.
Yes, Ron. Ron always talk away from the phone. First man in runs the near the phone.
Last night I was watching Ryan cook. You know what see me?
Ron can cook.
I don't nothing can cook, but did I do something in the sink?
Ron a warm up something here.
Me, you cook regular man. Me always a cook man. I'm coming last night and I start cook. I do cook some dumpling and yam and banana with
You know the
chicken.
light was on?
Yeah. Come here, me live, but me don't really know. Me not realize what I look.
Because I was there for a while. That's weird.
Me not talk to Brico, one of my friend. I want to time me not see her, so me did that, me just go and do my thing. Yeah, man. Do my cooking, man, regulars. I'm a cook myself in the cosmo.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm not really eat off a street, you know.
Oh.
What time I go to work and come in, brother. Because, yeah, you look at that other thing, Kentucky, me think, yeah, go join the line there, you know. Now go over there.
So I come in and I'm hungry, but to buy food, but not tell a lie.
Go on, me know what up, the beer, and come in, brother, and cook on fast pot, saltfish and dumpling and banana. Fast pot.
Saltfish and fast pack. I first soak out the saltfish, boil out the saltfish.
Me just wash it off in the sink and train that pot, make it boil out.
Uh-uh.
And put in the dumpling and the banana and it. I prepare the season same time. I run go to go to shower and by the time I don't shower, I come back, we just take out stuff in the pot and wash him up and wash him out and pick him up. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man.
The last time I go home, last time I cook, I now buy the food I run, I go and cook. The time they cut off I meat, and they just sell it. It cost me 2 pots.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
How come?
Drop asleep.
And burn up the pot.
Tired.
Mm-hmm.
My name is about it. Can't go sleep.
And still gonna watch a movie.
You know,
And
that me top do all the while. And then I come in late and I watch it and I go cook. Don't turn on the TV. Can you catch me already?
drop asleep just because I just turn on the pot to make everything simmer down. Right? I'm gonna wake up night, I'm looking at the pot, the rice burn out till it black. The whole I mix up them burn out tonight. When we reach the pot angle drop a ground.
Drop
Chop
out,
off.
I melt off, you know. It's cool,
Chop off.
melt off of that, you know, man.
So he had to something, man. I say, yo, I said, that's way 2 pot then.
You know, catch me already, man. I'm gonna curry chicken, man. I'm there, I'm tired. Curry chicken, I simmer down. I'm gonna make a last look funny and I say, about 5 minutes left. We take time simmer down. Brother, no see like 20 in that and I watch PCN news. I don't know when we just perceive, I say we wake up, God say wake up still. Everything, it burn till it dry in the pot, brother.
Yeah.
Never don't care if they will put outside and throw water in it and the no start for you. Next time, I don't know TV interview I drop again. When me come in tired. But that boy I send it to sleep, you know. Wait to sleep, brother.
The more time I come in, I'm hungry. I just stop and buy food and just come in.
Just can't eat them food when me go. Me a come in. But me don't feel comfortable. Trust me. That's how we do. Me always like cut up one chicken, season it up, like half, cut up half, curry and half, and I do also and season up in a plastic bag in my fridge. You come here, take out that and throw in my pot.
Right? In our life, I tell you something where food comes in our life. You practice yourself that you eat, you're eating to survive. You're not eat for enjoyment.
Yeah.
You just eat to survive. But there's going to come a time in our life, and that's where we're going to be. We're going to have to be just eating for survival.
True.
So, man, no, we just be comfortable. Eating a road.
You ask a black person if them that eat a dog to survive. No.
You don't know.
If them that eat a dog just to survive.
You don't do that. You don't think so.
You would eat one?
Of course.
No, sir. I don't think so.
Unless when we come, you don't know say I eat a cook, brother. God no. I'm going to say you can't get.
At the end of the day, it's survival.
I don't know. There must be something else.
No. You know, me I watch some African thing there on the TikTok. And told me say them feed themselves down the boy. I see them catch and eat. All the animal, them all the tribe, yo. Yes, brother. I say they now look about bacteria in their body and then sit them on. But they eat all type of animal, no matter what it is.
Yeah, people eat everything.
But people use the food, look at chicken and goat and nest. That's why. You know, like some people. Me man say eat alligator tail, I not eat it.
People never know what I alligator.
I've had alligator tail.
Me man say eat it like, boy, me can't eat it. Me just say me can't eat it, brother. Unless me go sit and give me.
It's like what Cosmo said. I didn't know what it was. It said it said gator tail, but it looked like chicken strips.
They say nice.
And I didn't really think people ate gator tail. And it was like next to a gator ride, one of those amusement parks. So I thought it was just chicken fingers or chicken strips. It didn't taste bad. It was just chewy. Couldn't stop chewing it.
Mm-hmm.
It was very chewy. But it didn't taste horrible.
When you find out, say alligator.
I wouldn't eat it again. When I was talking about why is it so chewy, I thought it was like overcooked or some. I don't know. I just didn't know. And then someone told me that's what it was. And I was like, really? I'm gonna stop eating it. But it wasn't because it tasted bad.
Yes, it tastes nice. So they say.
Some people say. I don't know. I don't. It's not something that I would go eat again. But it
When you
wasn't.
start eat it one time, you never need to stop.
No, but just when you know what it is for real, it's just.
And the thing of basic principle like frying the can yam pork, you can yam anything.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Yam, hugging yam everything.
Yeah, fish too.
Yeah.
Fish yam everything. Yes.
Yeah, man.
Fish yam everything.
Anything nice see fish eat, you know.
Everything.
Then you go in there if you make the fish eat you.
No.
Fish eat everything.
I might get you a dead cow or dead dog like I see, you know.
And I'm saying, well, I'm going to ask you a question. Cow make for going and see?
No, I might get you a dead one night.
Right, so I'm dead.
Mm.
Yeah.
I look on crab. Crab. Music crab and tap it. I hear me tap it crab now. Put that man in a crab bush one night. I want to place they call it night is a beer. I'm going to walk through mango, go up on the seaside. I'm going to tell you, brother, I'm not going to lie. I'm afraid of me go to the mango then, because water catch about in my chest. So I walk through. And I'll be a leaf for the water top, and I can't know and I need to leave them. I'm afraid tonight. I say, me go reach out to the seaside and feel glad. So I'm black sitting there way up right up, because white, you see on the seaside show, moonshine and the seaside bright. Brother, man, they fling a stone. One dead ass up there, no man. I want to crab come out of the dead ass, man, they run with the bag, you know. And I catch crab, you know. I no more crab for that, brother. We go with them, I'm going to take no crab.
But look at now.
Eh?
But they talk about alligator, you know.
Yeah.
Nobody does nothing, you know.
Me not eat alligator.
Expect. No, I will not leave your pork alone. Man, stop me and pork.
Yeah.
Oh God.
But we don't know still what. One time crab is nice, then that I eat it. No, eat it again. What's up? Pork no meat. Pork every night when we don't work. But right now, we kind of ease off high. Long time no more.
Okay.
What you say?
Pork.
Every night?
Yeah. When we don't work. Buy around quarter pound or half pound.
Boy, you come out, son.
So what do you have against pork, Cosmo?
Pork nothing yam.
Why?
Pork nothing yam. Pork a scab.
Why?
Pork a nasty meat.
You know, there's a few room, but we will try it.
No, so.
A true thing.
You want to try that yet, Cosmo?
A true thing.
It
Few
is
room for the meat.
Yeah. And you see worm them come out of it.
true or rump or anything and you say worm come out there. Stop it, yeah, man.
A pork a little so worm pan.
It's all right.
You know, I'll try one day with a man on the road. Yeah, pork 9 feet. And we can cut off piece and buy it down to your time. I see what you no come out there, me eat it back.
Be a worm then a tapeworm then a pork.
Take worm. Let's say about it.
You pour them in there, people with a maga when they eat it.
So have the chicken food.
Hmm?
Have the chicken food and I bottom then say.
Okay.
Then I say when I chicken food then bottom scientist how they want to say.
Yeah. Pattern on it. Yeah.
You know if fat I eat with the mushroom. I mean I say and it's so sweet. You know top me with a blood bad. I got over top it that. Love it. And we have 3 4 night fridge and we all look for that we not see. Hmm.
How come cause
Hold on.
Who's sleeping?
Donald.
Donald?
No man.
You really say we got something from sleep?
No, I never know me on it, man. Sorry.
Donald come on bed.
Me never know me on it.
Eh.
I come up here.
Okay.
He's probably trying to tap.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah man.
Alright, yeah, come down.
Yeah, yeah.
You dreaming?
Mm-hmm.
Asleep.
I think I poke and they come from defend, you know.
And that me I say. Hmm.
So I want to tell the poke each of them, you know. They are very defensive.
No, they bad, but they bad up for the folk, man, if you don't want to eat.
They were malice too, man.
My father, you love
That's
it.
who Simon.
My father love pork bad.
Malice, yo.
And the man love all the pork head on it.
No, molest nobody over food. Whatever they want to eat, then eat. Me not like it, then make sure they wash out their mouth.
I don't mean fish, I'm not eat the head. Meat fish, I'm not eat the head at all.
Me not like fish head either.
A woman feed fishing.
You don't eat fish head. What type of fish big and nice? You head have to take off the head. Put to one side.
A woman feed fishing, man.
Why?
Hmm?
Why?
It's just a female thing.
I don't eat it, so I don't know. Couldn't tell you.
How much I tell you about with a female? She always will take the fish head eye.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Fish head. But I love fish still. Love what no one did, no time. There's a two side.
That woman love, most woman love bone, you know.
Yes. That's true.
And most man love meat.
Yeah, I know with me.
Mm-hmm.
That's how man love bone too.
Good. Man love bone a batty, man. Leave the woman things them alone, man. Everything when I say the woman we don't want to take it.
That man what do you know idea.
Man feel of meat, woman feel of bone.
The meat is for the man and the bone for the woman.
Mm-hmm. That's the law of nature. Got one day I got me eat chicken back, you know.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm in love it with Aki.
One time I got me don't want chicken back.
Why?
Because a woman fool.
Because they have bone. No, Okay.
I mean, love me like buy and chop, fine, and fry it out, dry and season it up. Kill and tomato and pepper and put the ackee on it. But,
Oh, yes. Right.
uh,
I was
celebrate.
about to say that.
Yeah. Put the sweet pepper, your pepper, your onion and scallion and put that time and drop in it. And fry up that dry and put the ackee on that. My God. You really call me dumpling. Come on. You have menu them, you know, some passion in me on it.
One time, Gama, you couldn't give me chicken back.
That's what people say, I'm getting back in the train. Nothing. And there's your dog food. No, Tara.
First of all, I'm not buy it.
They make good soup.
You must have it nice, you know. Nice
And
chicken back food.
it make good curry too.
And for chicken back. And we have that one, we're cooking, darling. Boy,
Yeah.
yeah.
You want to use something next food. Use chicken foot and chicken there. A piece of pumpkin. Bad food that.
Yeah. Pumpkin soup.
That's how I'm bad soup here.
I mean, that, good on.
That was a good breakfast. Breakfast done now.
What you say was a good breakfast? You just finished eating breakfast.
Me,
Okay.
a bowl of pistachio. I want with frozen mango. With a jug of water.
Too early to eat. Too early to eat.
No, sir.
Now go sleep first. Remember my day turned upside down.
Better sleep on it.
No, but it's that's the thing with it, you know. When you wake up now, the day done.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna wake up maybe about like I don't work tonight, so I'll probably only sleep till about. But like how I worked last night, if I was going to work tonight, I would come home, go straight to sleep, shower, go straight to sleep, and wake up about 4 o'clock to go back to work at 7.
Well,
Night, even though night work better for work still.
Less office politics.
Night work is for vampires. You have some people who function better at night than day.
Yeah. But I like it because what I'll do is I'll work 6 days straight, and so I can get 8 days off.
6 days straight or 8 days off.
Yeah, if I work the last 3 days of this week and the first 3 days of next week, then I have 8 days before I have to come back to work.
Huh?
8 and 6 is 14. Right? And you work 3 days a week. I work 3 days a week, 3 12-hour shifts.
3 12-hour shift.
Yeah.
That's 36 hours.
Mm-hmm.
You still not reach 40 hours.
Well, I mean, it's still considered full time. And plus, by the time you finish up your work and write your notes and do all of that, it's 40 hours or more.
Okay. That means as your boss, man, I tell you, say you take your time right up the sky. You can write up a something as you go.
You do what? I work for cheap, not for free.
Well, may I tell you this? If I'm me, your boss, you have to work 8 days straight and you get 6 days. No, 10 days straight and you get 4 days off.
Well, I mean, if I want to make some money, I have to do that sometime too.
You know, you say, well, because if I'm a boss, I work, we say, work.
But see, at one point I was in Jamaica every 6 weeks. So how I could do that? I don't get time off like that. So I had to work 6 days and take my 8 days and go to Jamaica and come back.
Jamaica?
Not anymore.
Oh, so nobody have to come to Jamaica then.
I still go.
But you have to work.
Not as often.
But I mean, you call your husband and tell him, say, tell her if you get one second job. You have too much free time.
He worked 3 days too.
Oh, the box. Oh, no, so lucky.
He worked 3 days too.
I must remember people, maybe say people in America, they work one day of the week, then get to see each other and have nothing to see each other for one full day. Well, so I don't have too much free time, I don't know.
No, but he worked 3 days, but he's looking for another job now too. But yeah, he worked 3 days.
Yeah, man, that's for something, man. When you, if you work
He
3
can't
days for fight,
yeah.
get one second and one third job, man. You're a Jamaican, man. Jamaican know what one job offering.
But I work overtime too. So
Yeah, but that's still one job.
what? Wait,
Jamaica know what one
I'm
job.
not
Real
young
Jamaica-
anymore. I'm not doing that. I don't have any children to raise anymore.
One job, yeah. Because if you go one restaurant, you see same Jamaican something where you go at the bank, you see. And you go down at the clothing store, him you see.
Mm-hmm.
And where you going and train station, and him you see. You have to say, wait, I follow me. Oh, man, it's another job, man. You must train station.
Yeah, they go from job to job for real.
Job, Jamaica. You're like, yo, I have a nurse friend at Jamaica, and I'm tell before she go right now, I tell her, I say, you would be a great candidate to work overseas. And she was like, why? Because you have too much job. I follow a friend go at Sagicor building in a New Kingston, and the girl up there flooded, so I'm sitting up there. And in my mind, I say, what if I see that see her coming in? So she work up here. I was sit down there, my door open. Here, what you doing here? I look up. I see the backside this like, you work yes at all? She was like, yes. Eh?
Fucker. What's up, nigga? Gangsta rap, nigga.
Okay.
Nigga. Sit, nigga. 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 The haters cause our dicks is bigger.
Wow.
I'm telling you, she work, but say,
But where she work hard. She need to play hard.
Well, that's just something. She don't read something. You know, she enjoy herself, it's just that she work. She'll call me and say, come pick me up. I'm going to ask her, which part of their work now? And she said, oh, so this
Fucker. What's up, nigga? Gangsta rap, nigga.
yeah, from a 10 account to go and get the same thing kicked out. You don't have something there. But I saw Jamaica for set up still. If somebody want to work 2 jobs, that's fine. They can work 2 jobs.
Yes.
That's how Jamaica for set up.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Give you more free time.
Mhm.
Yeah. It's, it's more productive because you work for 12 hours continuous. You get more done than if you were working 8 hours.
If you set the country and you set the country where even if you set up one little manufacturer company and manufacture things and you're manufacturing 16 hours for the day, you get more done than what you do for 8 hours.
Of course.
Mhm. So that's why we need to um, reduce our energy bill, right? Bring down crime and violence in our country,
Mm.
right? And get companies up and running 24/7. Right. We have Sherwin Williams, them Berger Paint. Right. You can push these companies, make them companies produce something and take the products and send it to a foreign go sell. Mhm.
True.
Put the local put the paint market on the international market. You see when man start work 8 o'clock and by 5 o'clock work done for the day. That's non-progressive. You're not going anywhere to know. When the shift is done, one the shift a come on.
Exactly.
This way, you pack up your container and you send your things to them go to this country and so they bring in revenue.
Hubby look like he can't sleep and just come home from work too.
Oh, your
When
husband?
yeah, just come home from work. We just got home from work at the same time,
Oh.
but he went to sleep
Yeah, 'cause
and wake up already.
your man work hard, your man tired.
Yes, he does work hard.
Man work harder than woman work,
Listen, no, we're not gonna say that.
Man work harder than woman work.
Not always.
Like,
Yeah?
Not
All,
always.
not always.
all Simone walk around and do and juke people all night.
I don't even do that anymore.
What's so hard in that? Walk around and juke people. I nurse. Shut up.
No,
Man,
I don't even do that anymore because sometimes I even work from home. Now I do mostly when I'm not like supervising, I am working from home doing case reviews, doing psych case reviews. I would have loved to sit on one day. I'm going to sit on one of them doctor's office, 28 bank account, to examine his mind.
You see,
man, Andrew Wallace, you can't examine Andrew Wallace, man.
Yeah, man.
And is on money.
Hypnotize him and find out what makes him be like that.
Money.
yeah. So vicious.
Yeah.
Andrew Wallace say, I didn't want a hot girl, I couldn't get her because I never have no money. Now I have money, so I get hot browning.
Okay.
Browning a wine off our waist pan you. The man realize money make the world go round.
Mm.
You gotta have money. I just say go man. The man see himself when he was younger and never have no money. Certain category of woman he couldn't get. Right?
Mm.
And the man see which part know him have money and so the man say, yo, here apple. Money is the thing, brother.
Mm-hmm.
I see a Jay-Z say, have you ever seen an ugly billionaire? No. All an ugly man money make look good.
That's
You want
true,
to
but
buy money, man, you look good, man. Everything
Mm.
fine.
Exactly. You used to have a guy who drive around the port more than one escalator, you know. Have US throw down in him car, you know.
oh
Every
wow.
girl when him top of her foot, you know. When they wind on the window and when she look in and see the money throw down in her car, you know, or something, you know. She gone in there, you know. She gone in there.
Mm-hmm.
The hottest a girl, let's see him pull up on. And when him pull up on that and I say, going my way and she something, and they say, come here, and then they say, and when she something, she look in her car, man, she gone in there. Blouse and skirt. I eat the boy that did from.
Wow.
You know, much of them in a blouse and skirt, put more engaged.
You see it.
Mm. Right? And you see them as a normal working taxi man, and you're like, no, you look good. We're not a taxi man, we're not a taxi man, we're not a taxi man.
Yeah, you know want to taxi, man.
Mm-hmm. Right? Just so, so you have money. Yeah, see, you know, it's a 70, man, a 76-year-old and they were 26-year-old man.
Two money.
So money. I bet if you know no money. Hey, how is the old man I go? No, it's the old man juice scratch.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Real style up.
It's the most woman they move off of money, you know. Most woman move off of money.
I like my own money.
I know it's surprising thing though, you know, say most marriage that break down, a woman break it down.
Yeah.
I was surprised when I see that stats that most women walk away from marriage more than man.
You do want survey already on a woman class. No,
Mm.
serious. You want survey already, man. That my surrounding and so forth. I'm gonna check it out for a woman.
Most relationship that break up, a woman walk away from it. And you'll be like, but that don't make no sense. But then you realize, okay,
Most of them want me see a married relationship.
mm. But most woman want marriage more than man. More woman want marriage more than man, right?
Most of the
What?
95% of women them want married more than man.
Right. And when they get married, they walk away from the marriage.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, the man change.
Hmm?
Honestly.
The man change.
The mind change too much.
The man, not my mind. The
My
man.
mind, I am mind, boy, man. No man, no change. Man is one of the hardest things to change.
Definitely.
I'm telling you,
All
man
right.
is one of
You
the.
run boss. You should run boss, you know.
Mhm.
Put my leg on my bus 2021. I run my own bus. And I tell you something. I live with a woman and I live with a big mother. I never try to leave my big mother, no time, you know. No matter where. A woman will come alongside of me and tell me I make it. Then, me see, good woman. I'm not going to say woman a bad woman. I'm not going to put them and say bad. Good woman. That woman a woman. And when me see woman draw alongside me and me get a touch. And when me take a step, me look, me see them husband carrying come a bus stop. And me I look up here wonder, what make? And I really give a piece of cheese. I'm like, good man. And as I say, so we check it out now. It's like, it's the words out of your mouth, or powerful something. Powerful something. and the money come behind it. So if me use my words and conquer woman, and they're a good man. Because a man in a work, man of good work, healthy, alright, look good out of the woman wanted. I'm look for the woman, betray the man. Just to what? Sweetness. Yeah, sweetness. So, me know say woman in cost all the while. Definitely. Taxi me use run taxi from earlier from a lot of these smoke bus days. To be in a SpongeBob category and realize what's going on out on the road. And the bus man they not left the woman, they still have the woman in the yard.
Me say me do security work. I'm there one place and me look, me stand up and me look. That woman pull up in her car. And woman come behind the car, you know.
Come
Our
on.
youth up on the road, the street that sell flowers. Come over the two and the two of them did it. And sit there. And right there, so the youth just go behind her, draw down her panty, and they start work her, bend over her, something like that. Right? And me sit down, me look at me say, look, but you tell me say this woman don't have a husband or yard?
But they just love it play, they love it playing, you know. Low standard that to me.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So the man good all drive up with her in her car and stop at flowers man and said, send me one of those roses for my girlfriend. And you make somebody you watch him, my buy rose fair and you shall see me have a rado.
Man.
So that's why when a man find out now them something now, but that's why I'm just cut.
Cut. I must say, yo, disrespect, you see it.
Mm.
And then no, then if woman go say no, man wicked and man this, but
Man no wicked.
oh you start it. Yeah. And it's when one man do that no, it's when a woman do that to a man now.
If she do it one time and you know, if you do it she do it one time and you don't address it and deal with it, she'll do
You
it
know,
again.
say, if now your friend, that's man, and your woman cheat on you, you know, say that make me insecure with my woman.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it can't me feel insecure with my woman, because I say that woman, that's woman do that.
But the thing with it with woman, if a woman cheat on you and you forgive her and take her back, she don't look on it and say that, oh, well, him love me, so you know I cherish that. She look on it and said she look on it different. And
No. I
she
might get
don't
woman pull up and he beg me to take her back. I know me tell her, I say, I'm learning of my experience. You listen me now, babe. You can't take you back, you know. Because when me take you back, I'm going to do the same thing. What you tell me, say, I'm going to take you back. So you want me. Just steer it for you there. And if you want me piece of your cheese, I say you stay while you have a baby amongst you. You want me piece of your cheese, me take it. I'm still like give money for you serious. So you think said, but I go and live my life. I go on with my life. I can't support 2 years one time, that's number one. That me tell her. And she have to just live with it till she just find somebody for herself. That's how you go. Now live back with you and you mess up things already. No man. Live in a second chance, brother.
you get a second chance, you not get no respect.
We never live in a second chance, brother. We never live like that. No matter what kind of because people, yeah, two
The truth,
families,
Simon.
two
That's
families the
true.
same way.
I don't believe in that second chance either.
Two families say, other my families will say, boy, yeah, a chance. And friends will say, boy, yeah, a chance. And me say, brother, this is me I say. And me I make my decision. No, man, no, man, you go, man. We have a year, brother, please, around a couple months after again, a year, say, can't have, you know, we can't, we can't, really, my fault, I take you back. You that happen to man already, you know, brother. Embarrassment, you know, disrespectful, you know. I be saying, now that reach me. So from here, you mash up, crush up. Different movements. Better for me. That's how you got Simone.
Of course.
Oh.
That's exactly how it goes. I don't believe in second chances when it comes to that. Other things maybe, but not to that.
You know, ball and me need a certain thing you miss make you ball and me need.
You have to do like
And when you come, you
major.
want to come back now, what you miss.
You know what? You have to do a lot of things to go and just do the cheating and no, too much.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't just trip and fall. No. Especially as a woman, I think because we're so emotional, you have to take the talking and you have to, which that's where the cheating starts. From you
Mm-hmm.
start taking the compliments and the little this and the that. No. Mm-mm.
Why? A relationship, I mean, I look for it. I like my mother and father. Where my father died in my mother and live till them reach their age and retire out of work and settle down. Yeah,
Yeah.
my come and take sick and them drop out in my mother hand. They go in a care hospital.
Wow.
And I say, yeah, I saw you go, brother.
But you had
But
said
what?
earlier that
Hmm?
more women, they want to be married, and it's true. And sometimes because of that, we make mistakes and don't hold out for that right person.
Father David, man, 60, 65. And he married with my friend. Mother in 19 then time when they married. First sister a year away. And he grew all away. 1 year. I give a none no suffer. The struggle but to come true. Mm-hmm. I know. Marriage situation right now, mash up. That's why when a woman sleep with her in terms of love, I laugh half time. In terms of nine days, I laugh half time because I wonder if I was to estimate I want to come kick back or whatever I work for me I do. You know
I
something.
know.
So when he can't hungry. Yeah, so you go brother.
He loves you.
That you have something. That you have do something. You force me down to go come now. You have to be active. Either you have to farm you can come inside you want. It's like you have two cold cooks, then you put one 200 chicken night and you know say yo. You can't bother work, you just put the chicken night go and raise it. Nobody with that nice because we had do something. Want to raise two chicken and make up to and two egg pen and raise some egg and dozen egg. I'm see woman doing it the same way. Why me out there go and do me little tractor work same way. You see it? Basket carry him try do that, you know. We never lie down a bed until me come from work. I wanna hear if we do. I will pop out. When the eyelash should go pop out. Nobody go cream them, we touch up, and both them we pop out. And when more to tell, feel like a piece of lard that little below that, feel like a piece of pro box. I mean, pop out here, you can't say, boy, so 15,000 I go buy one tire. You know, no money, I know you don't get no pay yet. You can't do that. Boss, what do you can tell me that in time you don't get no pay yet? No, so. Hmm? That's why my baby mother couldn't live in a place. You know, book her to blows us. I do want to go work and by the time I need to start, I need to live. Live for work and if I live for work, you know more work, you know I work again. I know the reason why every night this one clump of money come through on Nigeria and last pick up. Every night this one clump of money come through on Nigeria and last pick up. I'm saying one day say, Mom Zell, I come up to land about and build a pole, come in and put 100 chicken out and start to like you're not gonna wear the baby there. He said, no, you know, like the way. You say, boy, I go look at work then. I'm on gas station work. I'm on taxi gas station work. I don't cry. So me I say, hey, woman, one lying in a bed and did the whole day till night. For me, whole day till night I can't do. I'm going to talk to him. This is way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm get rid of him, I go further on because I was done faster. Mm. I was done faster. I'm not saying a lie. Done faster. I'm just scared me I can't give big everything get bigger now. Almost 14 years old. I know you're going 40. You own a bank account. You can't live in one. Sometimes, sometimes I say I'm going to belly if it's good come, you know?
That's it.
Going to belly if it's good come, brother.
And that person, that one person is out there.
Eh?
Yeah. That one perfect person for you is out there.
I believe so. I know that's why I'm not rush it. How many times you on the platform and more time, you know. You try it, I'm just like, so. Yes, neither.
And you just have to leave your heart open for real. Because before I met my husband, well, I was married before.
Mm.
Before I met my husband, I was like, I had a list of laundry list of what I don't want, what I want, how the person need to look, how the person need to act.
Mm.
And then when I met him, he was everything that I said I did not want. Everything that in my mind I said I didn't want, he
Yeah.
was. And it's the perfect person for me. The perfect person. We're like
Um,
two peas in a pod, but if you leave your mind and like making all these demands of yourself, then you'll pass that person by and not even think about them twice. So,
okay. True,
because
true.
I said, I don't want another Jamaican man.
Okay.
I
One more
said,
man. So if that
huh?
your husband is from over there, I'm foreign.
No, no, no. He's from Jamaica.
So he's from Jamaica.
Yeah, but I said I did not want because my ex husband was also Jamaican.
Okay.
So I was making my list based off of the ex, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
And I was,
So now you get what you want, you know?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I know my one in store waiting. Are soon coming.
Yeah.
Yeah. I believe in it, yeah.
Mhm.
Um,
Cosmo,
Yeah.
you remember one day, I don't know if you know this was me at the time though. One day, I forgot what happened or how we got on that conversation. And you started to sing to someone.
So, oh, we're gonna play the song for
For who?
Ben Love and his wife
Um,
for the
sorry,
anniversary.
Cosmo,
Yeah,
sorry. The gun them and then them fine, seeing?
yeah, yeah.
I don't know who for what. I don't know this man want then they find them.
I don't have something off, man. Industrial terrace off.
That man get because me dep on a reason with that first and them a go on like say no down there so. So me say alright, you know make me rock me safe for the over here. And I come over here
This
myself.
man, my kids, I know this man, my kids off. I don't have industrial terrace off.
Yeah, I feel them one
Nobody
and them
knows
can
what they
them
control over this stuff.
yeah, for real. Cause I tell the virgin want to go on and he must say no and this very this and that. But
so
me
who
a
control the social terrace?
I feel JLP off.
JLP want that. The Dodos and the whole of them, man. They know say Dodos thing them and them control all them.
It's
Them
the fitness
thing
is a cutting, man. That's
yeah.
them cutting something.
Yeah, so me I tell you, Umbre say, yo, them are going like say, them are going like them a fitty like say a politician like a that say like a Mark Ball in them team up with man. And I say brother talk
Yes,
rubbish
I'm
no
in
man
the
and them there. Hold on, you know, PNP can go down there so go about them. They never can walk down in them much, but them are go for something half a while. So me say, shut up that man, shut up that the argument then not gone away. I feed the labor right them going. Them and them bringing them thing in them my youth. Fi do some distract the election. And that me I tell them man. They said no PNP can go down there. So you know that to Cosmos no PNP can go down there so we're clear now.
No
You
time.
see? No days, no time. You never can walk down there much less and go on like certain things much less.
You know them at
So
time.
yeah, so me I show the Umbre say, yo, brother, refuse the thing, man, and go get your thing right, man. And them get it. Them businessmen, they are like them Metro Siaga and all of them, man. They are down them, they say, all of them sitting come from foreign when it a ship and them so. So I just that me that ask you, cause no respect.
Yes. Most of them thing, I live it up nothing in the house.
You know, I push it up PNP, I get the blame, man. Everything I Jamaica PNP, I get the blame, man.
Man, they finally they get loose in the dance. So, man, they want to prepare themselves to fight the battle. Yeah, okay. But eyes out there watch. That's why they ain't gonna can't come on road. I know you that. Everybody will come on PNP and labor right now. And some man decide say yo that nah come on road in that. My boss that you know. Destruction like a road, no brother. But man under the going on in that come on road and what shot na them something there. In war that.